friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So I'm just going to run through the colours with you quickly. We've definitely got a bit of a TLP Piggy all-star lineup this time. We have got one of my favourites of all time. Yes, this is beautiful ore. Lovely, lovely, beautiful, bright, shimmery gold. Next we have another one of my favourites. This little piggy. This one is Groovy. It's one of the neons, and it's also black light reactive. So fantastic contrast to the gold. Next we're putting down another favourite, Mermaid. A beautiful metallic kind of blue with a green tinge to it. And again, a fantastic contrast to the Groovy that we just put down before. And then last of the Piggy all-star lineup, can you guess? Can you guess? I bet you can't. It's TLP, it's Comet. You had a choice of Comet, Twinkle or Golden Peach really, didn't you, my friends? So 3 in 1 chance, but yes, we're putting Comet down last, the beautiful interference gold red colour. And then, so we're not just having piggies on their own, the cell activator does need something else to actually sit on. We're going to put down Liquitex. This is the soft body acrylic, and this one is transparent and is Prism violet. So that's enough of me chit-chatting and waffling away. Gonna zip it, get the camera pointing down, and we're gonna get on with painting. Okay then friends, so this is an 8-inch cradle, and we're putting down about 4 to 5 ounces of white pillow paint here. We're going to give our little cradle a good tap. I can see some air bubbles in our pillow, and we don't want that in there at all. Give it a quick little spin, and then we'll spread out the edges with our palette knives so we can avoid the kind of dry ring mark that can happen sometimes if we just leave the white pillow paint as a puddle on the canvas. So first colour we're putting down is TLP. This little piggy, and this is ore, a mid gold with a beautiful gorgeous sheen, and will make a fantastic base to our swipe. Next we're putting down, this is TLP Groovy, fantastic bright pink colour and a great contrast to the gold. Next we're putting down, this is TLP Sea Glass, beautiful blue, shimmery green. And now last, my favourite, of course, TLP Comet. We're going to finish off with just a nice drizzling of Liquitex soft body acrylic, and this is the Prism violet. And we're going in for a close-up with the white cell activator so we can watch those cells forming. Now as you can see, we're doing the swipe in 2 half friends, and we're using the Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam paint cell activator. So we're just going to give the canvas a slow rotation so we can get a good look at the swipe, and we're going to go in with a close-up for the modifications. So this time I'm just trying to link up the 2 sides of the swipe just by including and adding a couple of swirls and a couple of little lines into both sides, just kind of linking both sides and making it prettier, or possibly ruining it. It all depends on your point of view. So I'm just going to add a couple more little lines here on the other side. And as you can see, it's a nice slow cursive movement to your hand to make these nice swirls. And now we're going to go in the middle and just add a little more interest. And there we go, time for a spin. Now of course this video is at double speed, friends, so I didn't nearly spin this fast. We want to start slow, build up the speed, let the paint meet the edge of the canvas, and then flow nicely over the edge. So that's the anti-clockwise spin. She's looking pretty good, I'm liking that. Just going to check for movement, and we have a little bit, so 1 more spin, and I think that'll be it. So thank you so much for joining me, my friends. Please like and subscribe, share if you like what you see here, and as always, Happy pouring.